Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Kajabi for launching your first online course, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Kajabi for launching your first online course, begin by visiting the Kajabi website. Click on the Get Started button prominently displayed on the home page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Input a valid email and click Continue. Next, create a strong password that meets Kajabi's security requirements. Once your password is set, click on Create Account. You will receive a verification email. Go to your inbox and find the verification email from Kajabi. Click on the confirmation link provided in the email. After verifying your email, you'll be taken back to the Kajabi dashboard. Fill in your basic information, including your name and company details. Next, choose your primary goal with Kajabi. Select Launch an online course from the available options. You will then be guided to select a domain for your Kajabi site. Pick a custom domain or use a Kajabi subdomain. Continue by clicking Next to finalize your domain choice. Kajabi will then present you with various pricing plans. Review the plans and select one that fits your budget and needs. After selecting your plan, enter your payment information to proceed. Review your selections and click Complete Purchase. Once your account is set up, you'll land on your Kajabi dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Products section on the left side menu. Click on Create New Product. Choose the type of product you wish to create, such as a mini course or a full course. Follow the prompts to enter your course title and description. You can add modules, lessons, and any additional resources as needed. Next, customize your course settings, including pricing and access options. To launch your course, review everything to ensure accuracy. Click on Publish to make your course live. After publishing, share your course link with potential students. Monitor user engagement and feedback through the Kajabi analytics tools. Make necessary adjustments based on insights to enhance your course offering. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.